Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you the easiest way to hide your Instagram profile photos, or you remove it completely. No stress, no other app involved. Whether you want more privacy or just a fresh clean look, this simple step by step will help you stay protected and stylish on Instagram. So don't forget to watch to the end and subscribe, and also share this video to your friend. I'm going to show you my screen now. Make sure you follow all my steps. Let's go, guys. Open your Instagram app, allow it to open properly. Once it's open, you are going to touch on your profile picture, which is this one. Once you touch on it, then you will see bio, add your bio, then edit profile and share profile. The one you are going to touch is edit profile, which is this one. By your left hand, press on it. Once you press on it, you will see your name, see other username, see pronoun, see bio, see add link, see add banner, see prefer not to say music. You see it. Then you will see change profile picture, which this one down here. Change your profile picture. Change profile picture. Touch on that one. Once you touch on it, you will see choose from gallery, see import from Facebook, and take photos. See delete. Press delete, which is this one. That is the only way to hide your Instagram profile photo. That is the only way, by deleting it. No how to hiding it again except to delete. So you are going to press delete. That is the only way to hide your Instagram profile photo. That is the only way. You see, that is the only way. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friend. Thank you all, guys.